So rounding off means making measurement or approximating measurement. ठीक है, जैसे कि सपोज आई हैव गॉट 99.5 रुपीज, तो क्या कहेंगे, अरे मान लो 100 है, सपोज आई हैव गॉट 99.5 रुपीज, so you will say okay fine, it is as good as 100 rupees because I have got 99, it's just 50 paisa less than 100. So I'll say approximately okay, I have got 100 rupees. What is Fardeen? I have 6.58 rupees. So approximately what I can say, I've got 6.5 rupees. Can I say? So there is a rule for this, how to approximate it. Okay, you just can't randomly approximate it. So it is saying that suppose in rounding off, you want to remove 8. Suppose you want to remove 8. From 3 significant figure, you want to make it 2 significant figure. Fine. You want to reduce the number of significant figure. Here, there are 3 significant figure and you want to have 2 significant figure. That means you want to remove 8.
Yes, sir.
So it is saying the preceding digit is raised by 1 if insignificant digit to be removed is more than 5. So you want to remove 8. 8 is more than 5 or less than 5? It is more than 5. So you will raise this. Raise by 1. This is to be removed. So this will be 6.6. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now suppose if I take 6.53 for the. Now what we have to remove? To be removed is this.
Yes, sir.
So in the rule it is saying it is left unchanged if the latter is less than 5. So I'll not change.
Yes, sir.
Not change.
Yes, sir.
So answer will be 6.5.
Yes, sir.
Rule number 2. When the insignificant digit to be removed is 5. Now I have said less than 5, more than 5. But what happens if it is 5? So if it is 5, like let's say it is 6.55, then what can I do? So it is saying if it is 5, then we simply drop it if it is odd. That means if this is odd, we simply drop it. There is no change. Odd is there, then we have to increase it by 1. And if it is even, then this becomes 6.6.